Hello friends, welcome to techXaust. Today we are going to learn about how to import .mkv format into vinci Resolve. So here you can see I have a video file, a video clip, but when I drag it into the Resolve, it is not working. See, so for that what we can do right now is the reason is it is .mkv. You're not going to import this file to vinci Resolve. For that you will have to convert this format. You have to convert it to something like .mov or .mp4, something like that. So for that what I'm going to use is I have installed a software called Handbrake, HAND, hand, BRAK, break. You can download from their website. It's free. You have to open that file and that program, and then you will have to just select this file and just drag it into it. See, so here the format, you have to select .mp4 as the output format. So when that is done, just say start encode. Your target file is here, and then the output will come into this location. Let's see. Open this directory. Depending on your the file size, it may take some time. If it is a small size file, it may get finished within few minutes. But since this is a bigger file, it may take some time. As you can see, the job is over. It is finished now. Let's see what is there. Okay. This is the file. So we will drag this to the vinci Resolve and see whether it will work or not. This is vinci Resolve. See, now it works. Now it works. So this is how you can convert the file and import it to the vinci Resolve. If you guys find this video useful, please subscribe and share. Thank you very much. We will see in next video. Bye bye.